Hello class, today I'm going to teach you how to find the surface area of cylinders. So think about how much aluminum is made for a soda can or anything that comes in the shape of a cylinder. How much aluminum is needed to make soup. Okay, that's the outside, everything on the outside. So the surface area of a cylinder. Okay, so a cylinder is made up of two bases, which are our circles. You know how to find the area of the circle, 2 times pi times radius squared. Pi radius squared is a circle, but there are two of them. And then we have the lateral surface. So think about the label that goes around the can. That's called the lateral surface. And you would find it by finding 2 times pi times radius times the height. Okay, so here's an example. So the lateral surface. So 2 times pi times radius times the height. So 2 times 3.14, we can leave pi, times the radius, which is 4, times 3. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24 pi. That's for your lateral surface. The circles are 2 times pi times radius squared. So 2 times pi times 4 squared. So 4 squared is 16. 16 times 2 will give us 32 pi. And we add those together. So we're going to have pi. So 56 pi, okay, is one of your answers. Or you can do 56 times 3.14. And you would get 175.84 millimeters squared. Okay, or you could do 2 times 3.14 times 4 times 3, get an answer. And then do 2 times 3.14 times 4 squared, get an answer, and then add the two together. Either way. Okay, here's another one. So 2 times pi times radius times the height, that's your lateral surface. Add it to your circles. 2 times pi times radius squared. So 2 times pi times the radius is 6 times the height is 9. So 2 times 6 is 12. 12 times 9 will give us 108 pi. Plus 2 times pi times 6 squared. Well, 6 squared is 36. 36 times 2 is 72 pi. So 108 plus 72 is 180 pi. Okay, so you can say it's 180 times 3.14, which I got 565.2 yards squared. Okay, that's how much material you would need to find the outside of this cylinder. Okay, once again, you can do this part here, 2 times 3.14 times 6 times 9. Okay, when I did that, I got 339.12 plus 2 times 3.14 times 36. I got 226.08. And then when I add those together, I got 565.2 yards squared. So either way you want to do it, you will get the same answer. Great job. Okay, let's try this one. So 2 times pi times radius times the height, that's your lateral surface, plus the circles. 2 times pi times radius squared. So 2 times pi, my radius is 3, my height is 18. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 18 is 108 pi. Plus 2 times pi times 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. So 18 pi. So 108 plus 18 is 126 pi. So 126 times 3.14, I got 395.64 centimeters squared. Okay. Another way you could do that is actually solve for 2 times pi times 3 times 18. And I got 339.12. And then 2 times pi times 3 squared, I got 56.52, and I add them together, and you will get 395.64 centimeters squared. Great job. I hope this video helped you understand how to find surface area of cylinders. Have a great day.